The universe isn't the peaceful starry ocean you see on NASA postcards. It's a place filled with objects so alien that the human mind can barely picture them. Stars that can kill you from 1,000 kilometers away. Planets drifting forever in the dark space between stars. Nebulas colder than the cosmos itself. And black holes the size of entire solar systems. Today, 5 of the most terrifying objects that actually exist out there. And after this video, the night sky will never look the same again.
Imagine a star heavier than our sun, compressed down to the size of a big city. Its density is so insane that 1 teaspoon of its material would weigh 1 billion tons. On Earth, that's heavier than Mount Everest. This is a neutron star, and a magnetar is its meanest variety. Magnetars are neutron stars with the most powerful magnetic fields in the universe, 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's. Here's what that actually means. If a magnetar appeared at the distance of our moon, it would wipe every magnetic storage device on this planet. If you stood within 1,000 kilometers of one, your body would stop existing as a biological structure. The atoms inside you would stretch along the magnetic field lines, and you'd become a thread of plasma. In 2004, the magnetar SGR 180620, 50,000 light years from Earth, released more energy in 0.2 of a second than our sun will emit over the next 250,000 years. That single flash from another part of the galaxy ionized the upper layers of our atmosphere. About 30 magnetars are currently known in the Milky Way. How many more are drifting unseen in the dark? Nobody knows.
Now, picture a world falling forever into darkness. No sun, no sunrise, no chance of ever seeing one. These are rogue planets, orphan worlds that either lost their star or never had one to begin with. According to recent astronomical estimates, there might be more of them in our galaxy than there are stars. Trillions of planets drifting through interstellar space at hundreds of kilometers per second. No direction, no destination. Just an endless fall through the void. Their surfaces are pitch black, with temperatures around minus 270 degrees Celsius. Their atmospheres freeze and crust over the ground. But here's what's truly disturbing. Some of these planets could, in theory, be habitable. A thick ice shell could trap internal heat, keeping a liquid ocean underneath. A dark ocean buried under kilometers of ice, cut off forever from the stars. And if anything lives in those depths, it will never know that light exists outside. Right now, while you're watching this video, a rogue planet could be passing through the outer edges of our solar system. We wouldn't see it coming until it was almost on top of us.
The cold of empty space sits at around minus 270 degrees Celsius. That's the temperature of the cosmic microwave background, the leftover heat from the Big Bang. It's generally considered the floor. Nothing in the ordinary universe should be colder than that. But in the constellation Centaurus, there's a place that's colder than space itself. The Boomerang Nebula sits about 5,000 light years away. Its temperature is minus 272 degrees Celsius, just 1 single degree above absolute zero. Colder than deep space, colder than the cosmic background radiation, colder than any laboratory on Earth. How is that even possible? At its center, there's a dying star blasting out gas at over 500,000 kilometers per hour. The expanding gas cools as it spreads, the same principle as the chill you feel from an aerosol can, just on a cosmic scale. It's essentially a natural cosmic refrigerator. But the weird part isn't even the temperature. The boomerang is a place in the universe that's colder than the background radiation surrounding it, which means photons from the cosmic background are actually warming it up, not the other way around. It's an anomaly, a point where the cosmos became colder than itself. "1,400 light years from Earth, there's a planet being slowly and painfully eaten by its own star. WASP-12b is a gas giant, roughly the size of Jupiter, but it sits so close to its parent star that a year there lasts only 26 Earth hours. Its surface temperature reaches about 2,200 degrees Celsius, hotter than most blacksmith furnaces on Earth. The star is literally pulling matter off the planet. WASP-12b has long since lost its spherical shape and stretched into a giant egg-shaped droplet. Its own star's gravity deformed it from the inside. Dark material from the planet spirals around the star in a long, comet-like tail. It's also the darkest known exoplanet. It absorbs almost all the light that hits it. Its surface is less reflective than fresh asphalt. Picture a world blacker than coal, crushed, glowing hot, and doomed. In roughly 10 million years, there will be nothing left of WASP-12b. The star will have consumed it completely. And sadly, there's nothing unique about this. The universe is full of planets dying exactly this way, devoured by the stars that created them. We just happen to be watching one of these executions in real time.
Hold on to this moment. I'm about to tell you about an object whose size your brain will refuse to accept. Every large galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center. The one in our Milky Way is called Sagittarius A star. It weighs about 4 million suns. That already sounds insane. Now, multiply that by 16,000. TON 618 is a quasar 18 billion light-years from Earth. At its heart sits a black hole with the mass of 66 billion suns, one of the largest black holes ever discovered in the entire universe. Its event horizon is about 40 times wider than the distance from our Sun to Pluto. Our entire solar system, every planet, the Kuiper Belt, even a significant portion of the Oort cloud would fit comfortably inside it. The entire world we live in could be swallowed whole by a single object. And TON 618 is wide awake. It's devouring matter at such a rate that its accretion disk shines brighter than 140 trillion suns. If it were
Magnetars, drifting worlds, frozen nebulas, devoured planets, and black holes the size of solar systems. None of this is science fiction. This is just the universe we happen to live in. And for every terrifying object we've discovered, there are millions more out there we haven't even seen yet. Tell me in the comments which object scared you the most. And if you want to explore more strange places in the cosmos, subscribe. In the next video, we'll dive into something even stranger. Thanks for watching all the way to the end.